So for the benefit of those who love our culture and tradition, we welcome you very specially to Ocean FM, which is the this one, our side, especially for the Calabar people. Calabar simply means come, live, and be at rest. The first capital of our great nation. Any also while I'm not going to come on your dog, I'm not going to come by taking a book with the other, including your 20. I finish a good comedy, yes, sir, Forester, Chuma, I get the answer while I'm not going to get Chuma, I can NYCS called Calabar. He must look good. He's one of the only people who says in the natives regime as a commissioner. We welcome you very specially to 2023. We said it for the sir. Let him go again. I want to go by station. God bless you, sir. Ready, go. The High Committee.
God, you want to do me short video with this people. That one for you.